Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to calculate average of number of numbers. So, in last tutorial, we have seen how to calculate sum using functions and function wizards. So, in this tutorial, we will see both methods to calculate average. Now, in traditional way, if you want to calculate average, then what we can do? We have to calculate first sum of list of numbers, and then we have to divide sum with total numbers. So this is the average formula. But in Excel, average calculation is very easy because we have to just write formula for average calculation. So now let's see how to calculate average using formula. So we have to put our pointer and we have to select cell where we want to calculate average, and now we are using formula bar for calculating average. So every formula have is equal to, and I am writing average, and IntelliSense will display the name of formula which starts from AVE. So I am selecting average using tab key and writing, and I'm starting bracket. Now number 1. So I am selecting first F7 and I want to calculate average up to F7 to F20. So I am dragging my rectangle up to F20. So here now you can see F7 colon F20 is displayed. So my average will be calculated from F7 to F20. Close the bracket and press enter. So you can see average is calculated, which is 3,37,615 rupees and 50 paisa. So this is the formula of average calculation. Now let's see how to calculate average using function wizard. So select the average function from function wizard and press OK. Enter the column and cells up to which you want to calculate average. I want to calculate average up to F7 to F20 and press OK. So you can see average is calculated. So this way you can calculate average using function and function wizard. So this is about calculating average in Excel. Thank you.